Okay, we're here. As you can see what we got on the trailer. I have to get a snack because I'm a big fat bastard. And I'm scared to pull in anywhere with the trailer. Why is that really good? I'm scared to pull in anywhere with the trailer. Because I'm paranoid. It's my first time hauling anything. But it's on there, it's strapped down. We're going inside to get something to grub on real quick. And then we're headed to HDT Automotive. They're gonna go over this thing, make sure everything's cool, wire in boost controller, can gauge for the dash, a couple other small things I have on my list, and then tune it. Hopefully all goes well with the tune. It doesn't give them any trouble or anything, and we'll be sweet. But yeah, peace. I got my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Lunch, we got a Jack Link's original style beef stick. Breakfast, we got a bag of powdered donuts. And dinner, we got a tube of, hold on, salt and vinegar chips. I got 4 Pepsis loaded up in that lunchbox and 1 water in that bag. Trailer brakes connected. We should be good. I still got a pit in my stomach, but I guess we're gonna be all right. We're just gonna go for it and see what happens. Everything should be cool, I guess. I'm so fucking nervous, bro. I'm so fucking nervous. If anything cool happens on the way, I'll record it. Hopefully I can check out their cars and maybe take some pictures and stuff. Yeah, we'll fucking see when we get there. We gotta put the GPS up now. So, peace to freak out. Can't really see. Kind of started recording late, but we made it through Pittsburgh. Old Pittsburgh, home of the Steelers and the Pirates. Now we should be getting on the turnpike anytime soon. Then it should be laser straight, pound the miles down. Let's get it done. Okay. 169 miles. 69, favorite number. Not really, just being stupid. We made it to the turnpike. I only missed the exit once. Now we got 170 miles straight, pretty much. And then we got 213 miles total, so probably a little bit of back road driving or like town cruising. I don't know. Never been here, so we'll fucking see together. So far, I checked the straps when I made a wrong turn, had to turn around. Everything's tight. Everything seems to be good. Say a prayer. I got my guardian angels with me. My big Crystal Gear, my aunt, my big Donnie Yergin, my grandmother. And yeah, we're fucking cruising along, listening to tunes. So I'll probably update this at the next, whatever. Maybe when we get to their town, or it might be when we pull in their driveway. We'll see. Anyways, peace out for now. Update. We made it. The car's back there somewhere. Relatively straightforward, pretty simple drive. Now I gotta unload this motherfucker and go home. I'll probably get home like 4 or something. I was hoping he'd be here so I could meet him, but I'm gonna guess, and I'm just gonna park my car in one of them spots, and we'll be cool. Probably won't record that because I gotta pay fucking attention. and that's the last thing on my mind is recording it. So I'll show you unload it in a spot. Peace.
This is my favorite part right here. All right, this is your boost level. Changeable on the dash.